my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you how I made a triangle tray set of 5 using Jesmonite. This time, yes, I'm using Jesmonite because my eco pour finish and I wanted to try out the famous Jesmonite. So that's why I decided to buy it. Anyhow, the proportions is exactly the same. 1 part of liquid and 2.5 parts of powder. And here I am mixing for the first pour, and it's going to be the 4 little trays, and at the moment I'm doing it in 2 pours because I'm worried that it's gonna set before I can pour it all. But for the future, I've decided that I will try and do it all in 1 part, as now I know what I'm doing. And if I mix my custom colors, then it's quite hard to get them the same twice in a row. And today I have a brown Jesmonite pigment that I purchased off Resin 8 website, because before I didn't have brown and I felt that I missed it, so I got one. And I didn't mix the brown in properly 100% because I'm after this marble looking effect. And now it's time to pour. So I have the mold of 4 triangles and I'm pouring. Sorry about the angle, it's not the best. I'll try next time to do it differently. If you are enjoying this video so far, consider to click a like. And if you like videos about resin and everything connected to resin, consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, so there is always something new for you. Thank you. So after that's been poured, I'm off to make the second mix for my large triangle. And it's exactly the same. I measure my powder, add liquid and mix. And after that I add my brown and pour. And then wait for 20 minutes to unmold it. And yeah, there you have it. I tap it quite a bit and leave it to cure. So this is about 20 minutes later and they are dry and a little bit warm after initial curing, and it's time to remove them slowly and gently because they are still quite fragile. And yes, I have broken something with unmolding before and it's not really great feeling. So now I always try to remove them quite carefully. And have little overspill edge that I remove straight away. And this is the result, and I'm quite happy how they look so far, because I was after a really simple marble design, and this is exactly what I got. Simple yet elegant. And of course, after that, it's going to be involved little sanding, but I do sanding after 24 hours that they are all cured and hard to break. And this is the number 3, looking good as well. And number 4. And now I'm gonna show you close up of all 4 how they came out. And now it's on to the big one. And I always turn it around because once again I'm worried that I can break it. And there you have it, the big tray is out and I like it a lot again. So this set came out really beautiful. So how I mentioned before, the next part is going to be a sand bit edges and on the bottom, and after that I will wash them and apply Jesmonite sealant so it becomes waterproof. And here it is, all finished and ready. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!